Hello friends, we are back in the shop. Chief says hello. How you doing? Haven't seen you in a while. You probably saw on my channel update how things have been, so I haven't done anything for a couple of weeks, and now it is get in it and get it done. Anyway, we have a 2014 Ford Focus, and I already did the interior, but it has been in and out of the mechanic shop, so we're gonna get in there and get it touched up. It was also raining the day that I did this, so it never got its rinseless. And now it's been sitting around and it's looking rough. But we're gonna try a new rinseless, and I just gotta share it with you. I'm excited for this one. Looky there. Phoenix EOD. I bought the bottle, the small bottle of the Rinseless, and we're gonna give that a try today. But along with that, Mr. Aaron at Phoenix EOD hooked me up with a few of the other products. So be watching for that because I'm gonna use some of them. Alrighty, so we got a bottle of Hydra. This is the Rinseless Wash by Phoenix EOD. I'm really excited about using this. This has been on my list for quite a while to give a try. We're also gonna get this one hooked up. This is the Titan. Now, I'm gonna read the instructions, make sure that I'm doing it right, but I understand this to be for the exterior, I think. I don't know, I'm gonna have to read into it and make sure that I'm using this properly, but that's not all. I got the Kraken, they sent me the Apex, and the Typhon. So I'm excited. I'm excited. This is awesome. I'm just so grateful to have the opportunity. I did reach out to them. I bought the Hydra, and they provided free and sent free to me the others. So let me say thank you to Phoenix EOD for giving me the opportunity. And let's get started on this car, guys. Let's get to work. Alrighty, so let's take a look. We'll have to touch that up. We're gonna need to definitely touch up the carpet. I think what I'm gonna do is blow it out. And then I'm gonna use some of my Dice Detailing Interior Clean interior detailer and just make sure that we're, you know, catching all the stuff that needs to be cleaned out. Now Bella was in the back seat, but I will get that cleaned up. The back actually doesn't look too bad. Here we go, we're back at it, and of course this intersection is loud, but it's looking pretty decent. But see, I put my hands on there so that you guys could see how icky this is. But we're gonna get it cleaned up. This darn thing could use a good enhancement or something. Anyway, okay, so let's get started with the interior. I'm gonna use the Typhon. I want to clean these seats a little bit, so we're gonna use the Typhon from Phoenix EOD. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I like this. The wheelchair was back here and the dog, so we want to clean it up. That smells good. I like that. That's a white scent. Alrighty friends, so the interior is done. We got it looking lots better. Got it wiped down. I tried out the Typhon. I like it. I like it. I love the light smell of it too. It's not overwhelming, you know what I mean? Now, in that passenger seat, in the corner was a pretty good stain. I'm not sure what it was. It wasn't there before. But we got it cleaned up. I believe we got it situated. Anyway, got this cleaned up. It had quite a bit of stuff still in it, but it's looking good now. Looking a much better, I should say. Alrighty, so we're going to use the Hydra by Phoenix EOD. And what we're going to do is use 1 ounce per gallon. And I never use a gallon, so we're going to use a half an ounce. This smells like bubble gum. Alrighty, friends. So what do I think about the Hydra? First impression, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Now, of course, this car is not perfect. It never will be because we're not going to shoot for perfect. We just want it clean so it can be sold. But hey, it's a beauty. It's really nice. And I also pulled out the Dice Detailing tire gel. And it's a good thing that I did. Can you see them? 2 bubbles in the tire. So that is where detailers can be useful as well, because we will see things that, well, in my case, the seller may not see. And in your case, maybe a customer won't see. But hey, this is looking good. I'll make sure they know about the tire. and it's ready to go back to the car lot. And I have another one to do, so here we go. Thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And until the next video, you know how it goes. Peace!